Hello everyone, my name is Prince Kumar and I'm a student of BSc-IT last year from CIMAGE Group of Institutions. In this specific video, I will be describing a mini project that is given by our respected sir Ram Lakhan sir. And the project is nothing but it's a simple music player app that is built with the help of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's see some code, how the code works behind the scene. So this is nothing but this is a simple structure of the website. For the designing purpose, I am including this CSS file. After that, to making the website dynamic or the functionalities, I am using this particular JavaScript. I am not using external JavaScript. I am using a script tag within the HTML tag. So with the help of this particular code, I am fetching the progress button. This is progress button, and after that, this is progress button. If I will, yes, this is progress button type of range. So whatever range will be provided, and again, music will the time of music will be increased, the progress button will be automatically increased due to this code. I am setting a time interval of the 0.5 second. The meaning of 500 is nothing but 0.5 second, and the progress value will be increases with respect to the current time of music. So let's see how the code works. First of all, I am calling the function. I made a function song.load on metadata. It means that the song will load it, and the whole the things that is defined within the function will work. So progress max will be song duration of the particular song, and the progress value will be song of the current time of the song. After that, this function refers to the nothing but this particular button. If I will click on this particular button, the song will be back for 5 seconds, and after that this particular function refers to the backward button. And if I will click on this particular button, then the song will be forwarded for the 5 seconds. After that, I have defined a function, something called play pause button. For this particular button, if I will click on this particular button, if the song is stopped, then song will getting played, and if song is getting played, then song will be stopped. For this particular logic, you can see here, if the class list contains pause button, then the button will be automatically button will change into the play button, and song is not getting if song is getting played, then the button will be then the pause button will be removed, and the then the pause button will be added, and the play button will be removed. Then after, I have explained earlier this particular function. Then after, progress dot on change. This function refers to this particular line, the range, input type range. If I will click any of this particular line, then the duration, then the song will be changed, then the duration of the song will be changed. So let's see the output. If I will tap on this particular icon, so here you can hear that the song is getting played, and if I will clicking in this particular button, song is getting reversed, and if I will getting click on this particular button, song is getting forwarded to the 5 second, and if I click on this particular button, song is getting again forwarded, and here song is paused. So this is all about my a simple mini project music player. Thank you so much for this watching this video.